Capital One Savor One Rewards credit card review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Capital One Savor One Rewards credit card. This card comes with a $200 introductory bonus that you may get by spending $500 on purchases during the first 3 months of opening your account. It's not tough to come up with that amount, which works out to $167 every month. Indeed, several weeks' worth of groceries or a few nights out with friends and family could help you meet your goal. This card had 15.24 to 25.24% APR. You will need a good to excellent credit score of 670 to 850 to be approved for this card. Let's dive into the pros and cons on the card. Pros: there are cash rewards for meals, entertainment, and grocery are plentiful. With 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, plus 1% on all other purchases, the Capital One Savor One pays you handsomely for going out. Plus, through January 2023, Vivid Seats is offering 8% cash back on tickets. Spending at restaurants, bakeries, movie theaters, concert halls, and other entertainment facilities, as well as grocery stores, are among these transactions. The card also does not charge a lot of fees. The absence of an annual charge on the Capital Savor One is welcome, especially given its generous benefits. However, the card does not charge a foreign transaction fee or apply a penalty APR to late payments. There is also a $0 annual fee. Cons: excellent credit is recommended for approval. Capital One assigns a credit score to each of its cards to help applicants determine how likely they are to be accepted. If you have fair or decent credit, this card recommends an excellent credit level, which may make it more difficult to qualify. Before applying, it's a good idea to check your credit report and score to see if your score is in the excellent category. You may be wondering how to get the rewards. The Capital One Savor One earns 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target. 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases and tickets at Vivid Seats, and 1% on all other purchases. The entertainment category is notable since it covers items that aren't generally eligible for discounts at venues like movie theaters, bowling alleys, and theme parks. Supermarkets like Walmart and Target, wholesale clubs like Costco, gas stations, convenience stores, and discount stores are not included in the grocery store category. Earning rewards is simple and straightforward because there are no shifting categories or earning caps. The Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards credit card also features a welcome bonus of $200 once you spend $500 on purchases in the first 3 months after you start your account. Rewards can be redeemed for cash in the form of a statement credit or a check in any amount and do not expire unless the account is terminated. Redeeming cash back can also be automated using an annual automatic redemption date or an automatic redemption threshold. The predetermined amount will be credited or released after the user-set threshold has been reached. These specified quantities begin at $25 and gradually grow to $1,500. Rewards can also be redeemed for purchases, gift cards, and other incentives, albeit the rate of exchange varies. It's also feasible to use card rewards to shop online using PayPal and Amazon, although cashback offers a better deal. Gift cards are sent out by mail and offered on a 1-to-1 ratio, which means you get a card with the same value as the rewards you use to purchase it. To get the most out of this card, start by qualifying for the $200 welcome bonus. Within the first 3 months of account opening, the $500 minimum spending requirement should be rather easy to meet. Use your card effectively to maximize your cashback returns, especially for eating, entertainment, and grocery store purchases. My thoughts on the card. Overall, I would rate this card: rewards 7 out of 10, benefits 6 out of 10, low interest 9 out of 10, customer experience 10 out of 10, low fees 10 out of 10. The Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards credit card is perfect for people who spend most of their money on food and experiences. With 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target, 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 8% cash back on Capital One entertainment purchases and Vivid Seats tickets, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. It lives up to its own hype. Those to make their own meals can look into the Capital One Savor One Rewards program. The 3% cash back at food stores is a good deal, especially for a card that has no annual fee. If you're a normal household that spends approximately $4,500 per year on groceries, your food spending alone would earn you $135 in cash back at a 3% rate. This card is also a good choice if you plan to make purchases outside of the United States because it does not charge a foreign transaction fee. Other cards' international transaction fees can easily add 2% to 3% to the cost of transactions made in foreign currency, whether when traveling or shopping online from a retailer situated outside the United States. The Capital One Savor One credit card, which has no annual fee, delivers an exceptional, if not unrivaled, cash back percentage for dining and entertainment. Indeed, the benefits are so good that this card may end up being more cost-effective than others that target the same categories but charge a premium. For example, this card's twin, the Capital One Savor Returns, has a $9 to $5 annual fee and delivers 4% cash back rewards on eating and entertainment instead of 3%. According to our estimates, if you live in a household that eats out and is entertained more than the average, you'd earn $90 in points with the Capital One Savor card, nearly enough to cover the $9 to $5 annual fee. Unless the variations in amenities between the cards are important to you, the Capital One Savor One appears to be a safer pick for all but the most high-rolling households. This wraps up my review of the Capital One Savor One Rewards credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than you all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.